courts did not stop the public participation, because public participation is a provision in the Constitution. It is a recommendation, a mandatory recommendation by the Constitution, that whenever you want to pass any law, whenever you want to do any law, you must do under Article 118 what we call public participation. So even if there is any law that will be passed, and remember, the reason why BBI failed was because it was not done public participation. So as a committee of housing, we made an advert that we are going to undertake what we call public participation. When that advert came out, what actually the courts or somebody who went to court picked was a section of that particular advert which said people should present what we call memoranda only. So when somebody asks that question, that how is it possible then this one is going to be called public participation, and yet there is no public hearing, there is no presentation of memoranda, there is no consultation, so how is it now called public participation? That is when the court said, unless you re-advertise, unless you introduce another mode of public participation that is acceptable and in tandem with the Constitution, then you cannot do public participation. So what we did, we went to court and told the court that we are going to re-advertise afresh. And actually Parliament did that. It sent out an advert which said there will be public participation for the coming 90 days. And in the mode of public participation includes public hearings, presentation of written or submission of written documents. So we are within the Constitution, and anybody who maybe wants to question, then of course even the ruling which was given by the same court immediately after we made our submissions, they ruled that the Parliament, the National Assembly, has not been barred from doing any public participation. It is only that it was barred from doing the public participation based on the advert, which only sought for memoranda. But any other public participation which includes public hearings, etc., it is allowed to proceed. So we are proceeding legally. We are in this county legally as per the provisions of the Constitution.